Hey guys, welcome to National Gallery West to our Surreal Black exhibition. Let's have a look. National Gallery West is pleased to present the exhibition Surreal Black. Surreal Black references varying stylistic approaches explored by featured artists Carl Abrahams, Marvin Bartley, David Boxer, Leonard Daley, Colin Garland, Christopher Gonzalez, William Woody Josephs, Omari Ra, Mallica, Kapo, Reynolds and Osmond Watson. The featured works reflect the use of images of dreamlike or irrational juxtapositions and abstract expressionism to symbolize and critique real-world phenomena, which, through this exhibition, are now being interpreted to inform discourse around topics relevant to the experience of people of the African Diaspora, including systemic racism and the resurgence to greater public prominence of the Black Lives Matter movement in 2020. This exhibition is meant to be a meditation on the evolving meanings within artwork at a time when the world seems to be changing. This exhibition is also meant to encourage a thoughtful and fluid viewing of these artworks. They are more than a distraction from the harsh realities of life. They are in continuing dialogue with those realities, the way the artists meant them to be. We look forward to enhancing our online presence, and as such, follow National Gallery West on Facebook and Instagram. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also click the bell icon to be notified of new content.